I'm gonna harvest this today. Just twist it. See, it's beautiful and it's so long. My God. There's more over here. And the nice thing is so tender. They are so tender. Just twist it. Ooh. Ooh. This is my first harvest, and this is my succession planting. This is my second batch. Oh, wow. There's more. See that? Beautiful harvest.